In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kucoin Earn with 5 essential Kucoin earnings tips. Whether you're new to Kucoin or just looking to maximize your earnings, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Kucoin website. This is your central hub for all things related to the Kucoin platform, including trading, exchanges, and the earning features. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Simply click on the Login button and enter your credentials to access your Kucoin dashboard. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one to proceed, which is quick and easy to do. Once you're logged in, head over to the Kucoin homepage. This is where you'll see an overview of everything Kucoin has to offer, including the latest market trends, your account balance, and all the tools available to maximize your cryptocurrency experience. From here, you want to find your way to the Earn section. This is the gateway to a variety of earning opportunities that Kucoin provides, designed to help you increase your holdings with ease. Now, click on Kucoin Earn. This feature is where the magic happens, offering different earning opportunities to suit various risk appetites and investment strategies. Kucoin Earn provides you with options like staking, savings, and more, allowing you to earn interest on your holdings. It's a great way to let your crypto assets work for you while you sit back and watch your earnings grow. Upon clicking Kucoin Earn, you'll find several saving products available. Each one has unique terms and potential returns, so take your time to explore all options thoroughly. Consider factors such as flexibility, risk level, and return rates. It's important to align your selection with your investment goals and risk tolerance. For beginners, it's often recommended to start with more stable and flexible options and then branch out as you become more comfortable with the process. And that's it. You've now explored how to access Kucoin Earn and take advantage of its features. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your earnings through Kucoin's intuitive platform. Always remember to keep an eye on market conditions and changes in interest rates to make the most of your chosen strategies. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insights and updates on optimizing your crypto investments.